welcome to this Commodore News Update for June 1st. I'm Charlie White. On Friday, the boys defeated Princess Anne 2-0. Key players in the game were Shamar Perry and Ben Barrett. The girls' track team claimed second place with outstanding performances from Bria and Brooke Stiff, as well as Maya Say. Now here's Sequoia in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Charlie. The Maury boys tennis team will partake in the Region's 5A South semifinals at Huntington Park against Princess Anne. The girls will play at Powhatan Stadium at 5 o'clock p.m. Girls and boys soccer play against Hickory, with the girls at 5:30 at Powhatan Stadium and the boys at 5:30 at Virginia Beach Sportsplex. The girls track team will advance to states this weekend at the Tide Stadium. Back to you, Charlie.
Thanks, Sequoia. Commodore News correspondent Xavier Horton has completed a story about Rashad Coleman signing with the Panthers. Here's his report.
One of Maury's most talented and dedicated athletes will now fulfill his lifelong goal to play college football. Rashad Coleman, who sports the number 55 jersey, has committed to Ferrum College. Arriving at Maury his sophomore year, Rashad wanted to be a part of the celebrated school's sports teams.
It's really humbling, and I've really been working hard for this for the last two to 3 years. I thank my coaches, my parents, and my teammates for being with me to this moment, and it just feels good, feels great.
In addition to playing football, he also was a member of Maury's track and field team, as well as the elite varsity basketball team. With the guidance of his football and track and field coach, Rashad Farabee, Rashad makes time for practice and training while maintaining excellence in his academics.
Rashad, very hard worker, a lot of leadership, leads by example, and we're proud that he had a recruiting process that was not the norm. You know, it wasn't a whole bunch of big schools, but he was determined to play at the next level, to play football in college. So he worked in the classroom, worked on the field, worked in the weight room, and he had several schools pursuing him, and he chose Ferrum. He says the best fit. So I wish him well, and I look forward to seeing him in black and gold.
While Rashad is thankful to have coaches there to guide him through the recruitment process, he is also thankful for the loving support from his family.
I'm so proud of my brother. He has worked so hard these 4 years of high school, and now that he's going off to college, I know he's excited, and I wish him best of luck. I know he's going to make us all proud, and we're all his #1 fans, and I helped him get through this. My dad helped him get through this. My mom helped him get through this, and we're just happy that we could be here to support him.
Like Maury alumni Cam Chancellor, who went on to play for Virginia Tech and currently for the Seattle Seahawks, Rashad will fill those shoes and will leave his family at Maury to pursue a promising college football career.
I mean, it was very humbling, and got me ready for the next year. So I'm just ready to get out and get ready for college. I'm gonna miss all my players, my teammates, and coaches. So I'm ready to start at the next level and start something new.
Rashad will leave a Commodore and will become a Panther.
Thanks, Xavier. Here's Commodore News correspondent Ryan Grosshart with this year's Commodore News blooper reel.
Let's play at 5 o'clock. Let's play at 7 o'clock. Mr. Rowe, why did you move the camera?
Because I want space over your shoulder.
Okay.
You know, sort of in a semi-turn. Make this look hokey. You know, I've already had people ask me where this room is.
Yeah,
Okay, wait a minute. We gotta set you up. It's not recording, is it?
Yeah, it's still recording.
What are you recording for?
I don't know.
Now here's Sequoia Saunders in the control room with details about today's upcoming events. Thanks, Taylor. No, wait. Thanks, Sequoia.
Do it again. Just thanks. There you go.
Thanks, Xavier. Today, 3 Commodore teams will be in the... Okay, I can't do that. That's like...
Okay.
Thanks, Sequoia. Today the Maury basketball team, not basketball, it's baseball.
Welcome to this Commodore News. Man, I keep saying. Welcome to this Commodore News update for Thursday, April 2nd. I'm Ryan Grossart. Yesterday, the girls' tennis team defeated Granby 6-3. Can we?
Welcome to this Commodore News update for Wednesday, April 1st. I'm Michaela Parks. Yesterday, the Maury baseball and softball teams were in action against Green Run. The boys won 10-0 behind another strong. Oh! Messing up. Okay.
Welcome to this Commodore News update for Thursday, March 19th. I'm Taylor Blakeney. Morris Base. Oh my God.
The ASVAB test will take place in the cafeteria this Thursday. That stands for Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. You may register for the test in the guidance office.
Wait a minute, come on, stop for just a second.
Thanks, Ryan. From all of us here at Commodore News, have a great summer.
already got practice upstairs.
Yeah, I know, the opposing side that's...
Wait, official. Oh, yeah. I got that. Good job, Pat.
So your next stop will be down the hall. You're going to be guided to third floor Omni.
This way. Oh, just follow the arrow and go this way.